What if I told you everything you've been told about making money with a CNC plasma table is wrong? Not a little bit wrong. It's dead wrong. And the people telling that to you, the Facebook gurus, the YouTube channels, either they don't know or they're quietly hoping that you never figure it out. If you follow my channel or get my emails, you already know my name is Charles Wilton, and I'm the founder of Tin Man Metalworks and Apocalypse Custom Truck Beds, built from the ground up, from scratch. But whether you've been following me for years or you just found me today, I've done work for Cheech and Chong, Horror Fest International, Johnny Depp. I made ranch signs for the grandkids of the real Dalton gang. And I need to tell you something that nobody in the industry has the guts to tell you. Your plasma table is not the problem. Your business model is. So, a quick thing before we keep rolling here. If you're new to the channel, this is one place I teach the part of the business that the hobby gurus skip. Not how to cut metal, but how to turn it into real money. Do me a favor, hit subscribe and the bell so that YouTube actually shows you the next one, and stick with me all the way to the end because I'm going to show you the exact system that did this for me and exactly where to get it. All right, you've put in the work on learning how to run your table. You've got the skills. Now let's get that table printing money. I know exactly who's watching this because I was once you. You've got a machine that should be printing money. Your cuts are clean, your designs are solid, you've certainly put in the work. But every month, it's the same story. You're grinding nights and weekends, posting your work online, and it's crickets. Or worse, you get that DM that says how much, and follow it up with, can you do it any cheaper? You're underbidding just to win the job, working 5 hours just to net $40. Doing the math in your head, you're wondering if you'd make more money delivering pizza. That dream of quitting your day job, seems further and further away every month instead of closer. So what do? You do what everyone does. You go watch more YouTube. You join more Facebook groups. You get on Etsy. You buy more bile packs, hoping that this one's the one that's going to sell. And all you get is more confusion, more conflicting advice. You get more and more people telling you that the market is flooded and that nobody pays real money for metal art anymore. That you should just keep it a hobby. Lower your prices a little bit. You're too high. That just be patient and wait advice? It's total garbage. Let me tell you something. The market is not flooded. In fact, the opportunity has never been bigger. There are people right now making $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month with their plasma table that's no better than yours. The difference between them and where you're sitting right now, it has nothing to do with their machine. It has nothing to do with their designs. And it has nothing to do with how hard they work. It comes down to one thing. They know how to sell their product, and nobody's ever taught you how to sell yours. But here's why it's not your fault. Every course, every tutorial, every YouTube channel in the CNC plasma world teaches you one thing: how to set up your machine, how to make it cup good, and how to dial in all your settings. Is that useful? Sure. But not one of them teaches you how to turn that metal into money. Nobody teaches you how to find that customer that pays full price and thanks you for it. Nobody teaches you how to make an ad that makes people stop scrolling and pull out their wallet and give you their credit card. Nobody teaches how to build a sales system that brings in money while you're sleeping. And nobody teaches you how to price your work to stop working for free. Because most of the people teaching CNC content online are hobbyists teaching other hobbyists. They've never actually built a real business. They themselves don't know how to sell. And they're passing that blind spot directly onto you. I know because I lived it for 7 years. When I bought my first plasma table, I had the same dream that you have right now. Financial freedom, own my own shop, work my own hours, work on my own terms, walk out the door of my day job and never look back. What followed was 7 of the most expensive, humbling, and exhausting years of my life. I tried everything. Farmers markets, Facebook Marketplace, Etsy, cold calling other businesses. I discounted to the bone. I raised my prices and watched customers vanish. I changed niches. I started over. I rinsed and repeated that for 4 years. I made every mistake there is to make in this business. Some of them 2 and 3 times. There were nights, real nights, where I sat in my shop looking at all my machines, wondering if I had made the biggest mistake of my life. But I didn't quit. And sometime around year 4, buried in my 4th failed attempt at trying to run Facebook ads, something clicked. I wasn't bad at business. What I needed was a sales system. I wasn't missing skill. I was missing strategy. What I needed was a real, proven, step-by-step sales and marketing strategy. So I went all in. I studied under the best sales and marketing minds in the world. I invested tens of thousands of dollars into courses, business coaches, joined mastermind groups. I tested every ad formula, every funnel structure, every offer, and every pricing model that I could possibly fathom. And all of it in the CNC plasma market specifically. And when it all finally clicked, everything changed. And fast. Within months, I had more orders than I could possibly do. I quit my job, I gave my boss the finger on the way out the door, and I am not even slightly sorry about that. Today, I run a multi-six-figure fabrication shop built from the ground up. I have done work for Cheech and Chong, Horror Fest International, the grandsons of the real Dalton game, and many, many others. And I have taken that exact same system, every shortcut, every strategy, every hard-won lesson, and I've used it to help over 5,500 hobbyists build real businesses. Over 5,500 people. And we have an industry-shattering refund rate of less than a fraction of 1%. Because if you do the work, it works. Here's what I figured out, and what I want to hand to you directly today. The CNC plasma business is not a craft problem. It's a marketing problem. Your table can already cut anything you need it to cut. What you need are the answers to 3 questions. 1, what do I make that people actually want to buy? 2, how do I find those people and get my product in front of them? And 3, how do I get them to buy from me at full price and thank me for it? Answer those 3 questions and the money just flows. Every time. It's not magic, it's just math. I have spent 7 years and tens of thousands of dollars building a complete step-by-step system that answers these 3 questions. Designed from the ground up for the CNC plasma business specifically. I call it the CNC Plasma Sales and Marketing Masterclass. And it's the only program of its kind on the planet. Here's everything you get when you join today. First, the CNC Plasma Marketing Playbook. It's over 500 pages of the most comprehensive sales and marketing system ever built for the CNC Plasma business owner. This is not theory. This is not some motivational bullshit. It's a field manual. The 17-step sales system. How to find your dream buyer, how to write ads that convert, and how to price for real profit. This playbook alone has sold for $1,000. And it's included in full. Second, you get the CNC Plasma Roadmap video course, valued at $5,997. Full step-by-step video modules walking you through the entire system. From zero to your first sale, and from your first sale to your first 5-figure month. Product development, finding buyers, social media platforms, Etsy, pricing, sales funnels, landing pages, email marketing, paid ads, all of it in order and step by step. Third, your personal Tin Man Metalworks AI sales mentor. This is not ChatGPT. It's a custom-built AI pre-trained on our entire sales and marketing system. Need a Facebook ad? Written in 6 seconds. You need an email marketing sequence? Done. Sales copy? Done. Pricing? All done for you. Pricing strategy? All done for you. Landing page sales copy? It does that too. And all of it in seconds. It's like having a world-class sales copywriter on call at 3 a.m. for free. Forever. Fourth, you get a fully functional business website powered by ClickFunnels 2.0. It's a one-click install, pre-built for you. This is not some Wix page or one of those Shopify gimmick stores. It's a complete sales machine with a storefront, pre-made sales funnels, landing page templates, all done for you. Email follow-up sequences, all built in already. Swap in your logo and hit save. You have a fully functional, live, professional website in under an hour. And then there are the bonus packs. Bonus pack 1 is a complete library of fill-in-the-blank workbooks and templates. Headline templates, landing page blueprints, bullet copy swipe files, 7-part power guarantee workbook, 2 full follow-up email sequence templates, everything you need to launch without a blank page. Bonus pack 2, a full video masterclass suite covering every major platform. Facebook, Google, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, Etsy, Twitter, and even SolidWorks. Plus you get my personal Inkscape masterclass, where I show you exactly how to generate thousands of dollars a month passively while you sleep, selling digital cut files without selling a single physical product. It will make you money 24/7, every day, all day. When you add it all up, it's well over $10,000 in value. So what does it all cost? The playbook, the video course, the AI sales mentor, the done-for-you website, both bonus packs, everything. When I first launched this, I used to sell it for $5,997. And at that price, people said it was the best investment they ever made. But I'm going to run the biggest sale that I've ever had. I'm lowering the price for a limited time to $997. That's right. The entire system right now is available to you for $997. One payment of $997. That's it. One time. No upsells, no monthly fees, no hidden bullshit. The whole system, yours, for $997. I'm doing this because I want this community to grow. I want 5,500 success stories to turn into 55,000. But this price will not last. When this sale is over, the price is going back up. And I mean that. Now, you don't have to decide anything right now, because everybody who joins is backed by my 60-day stronger than still money back guarantee. Go through the playbook, watch the video course, set up the website, run your first ads, give it a real shot. If at any point in the next 60 days you don't think that it was worth every single penny that you invested, just email me. Full refund. No questions, no hoops, and no hard feelings. I can make this offer without blinking because out of 5,500 members, our refund rate is practically non-existent. Less than a fraction of 1%. Jessica made her first big sale in the first 24 hours by just following the templates and tweaking some ads that she had already had running. Mike doubled his sales in the first 60 days. Chris finally learned that making cool stuff and learning how to sell cool stuff are two completely different skills. And once he learned the second one, everything changed for him. Picture 90 days from now. I want you to picture something. 90 days from today, you wake up, no alarm clock going off, you check your phone, 3 new orders came in overnight, your website and your email sequences worked while you slept. You walk out to your shop, no boss, no commute, no Sunday dreading Monday morning. Just you, your shop, your machine, and a full book of orders. You're going to get the life that you came here for. You know exactly what you're making. You know exactly who's buying it. And you know exactly how to reach more of those people. That's not a fantasy. That's what happens when you stop guessing and you start following a proven system. It's available to you right now. Look, here's the truth. You've been trying to figure it out on your own, and it just hasn't been working. Not because you're not smart enough. Not because you're not working hard enough. It's because you've been missing a proven sales system. Look, you can keep posting and praying and doing what you've been doing. You can watch more YouTube videos. You can keep underbidding jobs. You can keep wondering how to make it all happen. Or you can stop daydreaming about that someday and click the button below, or wherever the hell they put it on this page. Invest $9.97 one time and get instant access to everything. And you'll be a completely different business owner in 90 days from today. Guaranteed. The button's right there. Click it. Fill in your information and change your life. And I'll see you on the inside. We are going to build this thing, and I am going to show you how.